Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest and in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what I believe is hands down the best compact mini fridge with freezer on the market right now. The Midea WHS-87LB1, a 2.4 cubic feet powerhouse packed into a sleek, space-saving design. Now, if you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient mini fridge for your dorm room, bedroom, office, or even your man cave, this is one you'll want to stick around for. Let's start with the design. The Midea WHS-87LB1 sports a stylish black finish that blends effortlessly into almost any setting. Its compact dimensions, just about 20 inches deep, 17.5 inches wide, and under 25 inches tall, make it super easy to tuck into tight spaces without sacrificing utility. Open the door, and you'll see just how thoughtfully designed the interior is. With 2.4 cubic feet of storage capacity, you get generous space for drinks, snacks, fruits, and even meal prep ingredients. But here's the catch. While this unit looks like it might have a freezer, it's actually freezerless. That's by design. This fridge is focused solely on keeping your food fresh and your drinks chilled, not frozen. It uses a mechanical temperature control system, adjustable between -2 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. That's 32 to 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for keeping perishables safe and beverages cold without freezing them. That temperature range is something many compact fridges struggle to offer, but Midea nails it here. Now, speaking of features, one of the things I love about this unit is its flexibility. It comes with adjustable legs so you can stabilize it on uneven surfaces. But even better, the door is reversible, meaning you can choose whether it opens from the left or right, depending on your room layout. That's a small touch that adds a ton of convenience. Another standout is its quiet operation. This fridge runs at a very low noise level, making it perfect for bedrooms, guest rooms, or study areas where peace and quiet matter. It's also Energy Star rated, so it's light on your electricity bill, too. Efficient, silent, and effective, a rare trifecta in this price range. On the inside of the door, you get racks that can comfortably hold cans and bottles. The main compartment has a slight taper toward the back, which is something to be aware of when storing larger containers, but for the everyday user, it doesn't really limit usability. Now let's talk durability. It's a great way to buy with confidence, especially for students or first-time renters. For those outside the US, keep in mind that this fridge runs on 115 volts, so depending on your region, a converter might be necessary. It's a minor consideration, but one worth remembering if you're planning to ship internationally. So, to wrap it up, the Midea WHS-87LB1 offers solid performance, stylish looks, quiet operation, and smart features like a reversible door and mechanical temp control. It's compact but not cramped, energy efficient but powerful, and all that at a very reasonable price. If you've been waiting for the perfect mini fridge to upgrade your space, this could be it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a product breakdown. Got questions or want us to review something next? Drop it in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.